books, poems, music we're not supposed to listen to.
Where people do, yeah. Just hang out.
Yeah. And other stuff. You think I'm small town, huh?
I think both.